Good afternoon, everyone. That's the New York session starting. That's our afternoon session. Let's see what the market was doing. That's 1 minute. We went a little bit up. Let me see. Let me generate one trading card. Trading card for me now is a sell. It's not strong enough. I will wait for the next one, the next 5 minutes, okay? For now, I will be waiting for the next one. It's nearly at TP1 now. If you talk that, I'm not taking that one. I'm waiting for the next one, the next 5 minutes one. Let me know how was your morning, if you managed to make your profits. Yeah, it's on TP1 now. When I refresh that one, that is straight away went to TP1. But like I said to you, the signal was not strong enough. The numbers on the trading card was not strong enough. I was just waiting for the next one now. We generate another one in few minutes. Another minute, we'll be able to generate another one. As you can see, the price is retracing now. Since this morning, we have been on that range. Now it's break the range, 45, and it's going up. Went all the way to 45.12, and it's building that range again. I still think we'll be up. Let's see. We will keep generating new trading cards in order for us to place new trades, okay? If it's strong enough, we'll go for it together. Another 10 seconds, I'll be able to generate it. As you can see, was selling before, now is neutral. We really need to be patient now and wait for the confirmation, especially when it's like that neutral. I don't do anything, okay? It's on that range. We have been on the bottom today. It's going up. We break that 45, but we need to keep going forward. I really need to see a strong buy trading card in order for me to go for the buy. We had already great profits for the day. I don't want to miss it and leave that on the table and give back as well. That is the main goal. As soon as you're in profit, move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. Okay, scalping strategy is very fast. If you want to go slow, you can generate your own trading cards on the 15 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour time frame. You can change your time frames as well. Okay, I'm using right now the 5 minutes. I will share with you as soon as we have one strong one. As soon as we have a trading card very strong, I will give you the updates. Let me know in the comments if you have been trading this morning, how was for you. That's the New York session. We do Monday to Thursday, 1 p.m. to 3 p.m. Another few minutes, we will be able to generate a new trading card and it will give us the points to enter on the market, the stop loss, and take profits. You just need to take care of your trading. You will have everything there for you. Okay. Patience is the key. Patience is the key on the market, guys, and especially when you have everything already done for you. We're nearly there. Another 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh and have a new trading card. And let's see if it's strong. If it's strong buy or a strong sell, we will go for it. Another 20 seconds. Let's get ready. Okay, guys, it's a strong buy. Go for it. Strong buy now. You need to have your Telegram open and go to your VIP and you'll be able to generate that. It's on GP1 already. I'm not updating that. I didn't have time. The only time I had is to tell you is a strong buy. And the price range was between 669, 760. GP1, as you can see, we are already on GP1, was 9.52. Stop loss 45.05. That was the parameter. If you are on TP1, you know what you need to do. Move your stop loss, book profits. If you're not on the group yet, let us know. You will have free access on our VIP group. If you open your account with our partner broker, the only thing you need to do is open your account. You will have all the links we will share with you. You just need to open your account and you will have free access to that amazing tool that generates you signal every 5 minutes if you want to. You just need to press refresh button on the 5 minutes, on the 15, half an hour, 1 hour. Okay, it's completely up to you. 5 minutes is scalping. It's very fast. You need to be very fast. As you can see, the last time we refresh was 10 past 1 and we had a strong buy and we are on TP1 already. TP1, that means you can protect your trading now, move your stop loss to break even and book some profits. If you want to go to TP2, TP3, TP4, 5, you can do that, but you need to protect yourself, okay? Always. It's a free trading now. You don't have any risk at all if you move your stop loss to break even. And as you can see, soon we'll be able to generate another signal, another trading card in another 2 minutes. Let me know in the comments if you book your profits. It will be nice to see you learning the strategy and you taking your money. As you can see, the price is retracing now. You don't want to be waiting for book the profits. Book your profits, okay? Scalping, in, out, in, out. You can imagine the power of it. You can generate a new trading card every 5 minutes if you want to. That doesn't mean you need to take every 5 minutes one trade. Every 5 minutes we will have the possibility to have a new trade, okay? That doesn't mean you need to take the new trade. Let's go. Nearly time to refresh again and we'll see the new trading card. Protect your capital, book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. I will keep telling you that until you start doing that. Let's go, nearly time. We will see if we have a strong buy or a strong sell. Is a sell, is a sell. As you can see, that changed the perspective, changed the direction, and you need to be faster and change it as well. Strong sell, scalping between 0452, 0547. That's my range. Stop loss 0646. Take profits 0250 and so on. 01, 98, 96, 93. Now you know why you need to put your stop loss, your TPs, book your profits, move your stop loss to break even. If you're out of the last buy, you'll be able to sell. That is the power of it. And it's a strong sell as well. We trade gold, XAU USD. We're trading gold, mainly gold. As you can see in the graphic that I share with you now, is on TradingView, is the gold spot. Okay, price action. You can see on the side, if you're familiarized with gold, that's the gold spot. It's gold spot. Can you see on the top there, on the left hand side? If you check on the graphic, you have that. We were on the sell before. If you want to be part of the community, you can reach out to Khan on this number, on the WhatsApp number, and also you can scan the QR code, and on the top right hand side you'll be able to join the community there. Okay, but yeah, it's completely free as long as you have your account with our partner broker. Okay, is the way the team gets paid. And then you'll be able to use that machine learning and generate your own signal. TP2, guys, if you're holding it, TP2, the sell was strong, I told you. TP2, let me know in the comments if you book your profits. TP2. Now you know what you need to do. Move your stop loss to break even and book your profits. And it's a free trading. In another 1 minute, we'll be able to refresh again. We'll see if it's a strong buy or a strong sell. But keep protecting your capital. And book your profits. Okay, you can do whatever you want. We just book profits now. You're using the machine learning to buy and sell, and it's scalping. Okay, scalping. You in and out. Let's see. I'll generate a new trading card now. It's still strong with the sell, the trading card. Is a sell for me. Just be mindful the market is spiky now. It's like Khan was saying, when you have a candle green, you need, and you're selling, you need to be mindful of that, even if it's a strong signal. But if you put your stop loss and you will have your range, your entry points, you just can go for it, okay?
Hey Mateus.
Hello, how are you doing?
I'm so sorry, this camera is giving me hell. just got a mind of its own. Never mind. How are you doing? I noticed the market climbing.
Yeah, the market's climbing. We had a sell. I just told everyone to be mindful of that. The way you explain,
yes,
you can go for it, but just put your hard stop or your stop loss always.
Yeah, absolutely. That's what it's all about. You know, it's repeating the same patterns again. Who's AAARR? Is that somebody new?
Yeah, I have been talking with him or her. I don't know the name is.
Yeah, tell us who you are, or Mateus will put our details up. If you either drop me a WhatsApp or scan the code, come into our community, and then we'll know who you are. And then you don't have to buy anything from us, but it's nice to know who we're talking to. And obviously, ask any questions that you want to ask, because we're happy to answer those for you. And welcome. I think it's the first time we've seen you. So, but in terms of which pair we trade, buy and sell, etc., I'll go through with you in a moment. So, what's the market been doing? The market's risen. Let me go and grab my spectacles. I've left them around the house somewhere. I'll be back in 1 second. So a little recap, shall we? So let's see what the market's been doing. So we'll take the hours. Are you in following the signal at the moment, Mateus?
I'm sorry?
Are you following any signals? Are you walking anybody through this stuff at the moment?
Yeah, we just talk the last one. If they talk it was nearby the stop loss, is on stop loss now.
Okay, that's fine. I'm going to walk you guys through. So this morning, when we were here, so this is when we started. That's London Open. So that's a buying hour. Can you see this? Have we got your charts, Mateus?
I still think we have my chart. Just 1 second.
Yeah, we do. Let me just have a look then.
Remove mine.
Yeah.
You can put yours.
Yeah, I'll just walk you guys through. Okay. So if you look at this now, we got. There we go. No, that's yours again.
Yeah, let me take mine from here.
Yeah.
That's yours.
It keeps coming back.
Yeah, that's yours.
That's mine. So if I take you through this morning, so London Open, this is when we joined, or you guys joined as we went live. It was buying hour with lots of big wicks on either side. Let's move it away a little bit. And then we had a couple of selling hours. So this is where we were this morning. And remember, I was saying to you guys, be careful because it will snap back at some time because the low point will be hit. We didn't know where the low point will be, which is exactly what happened. So we went off the air at 10 o'clock. So 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock being buying hours. Then obviously New York's opened and it's been a selling hour. Okay, so we look at these to give us the big picture, if you like. Okay, so that's what's been going on. Then obviously you've had some signals. And let's have a look now. We'll go to the 1 minute. Market's dropped or dropping. And this is New York getting going, really. It's did that, it's done this. It'll do whatever it wants to do. We don't particularly care because we trade price action. And that's all we care about in terms of where the price is. So we get the trade card or we get the signal and we act on that. Whether that's buying or selling, you've seen that, yeah? So in terms of R0866, it'd be nice to know what your name is. We trade gold every day. That's the only commodity we trade. Okay, we don't do FX, we don't do any pairs, we don't do Bitcoin. We specialize, we're a specialist. So Matthias and I trade gold alongside our clients who come and join us. And you're welcome to come and join. And please subscribe and like the channel. Really appreciate that. That's the only thing we ask you for. And then the other thing is you get notifications when we're live. So 8 till 10, London Open till 10 o'clock. 1 till 3, New York Open. We do London Monday to Friday. We do New York Monday to Thursday. So quite a lot of time for you to trade. If you had those 4 hours to trade, that's probably all you'd need in any given week for your entire trading, if you like. And that's what happens. So whoever's joining us, come and say hello, see how you are, tell us how your trading journey is going. If you want to join us and ask any questions, you're welcome to join us in the studio. And we're happy to take your questions that way. In terms of where the market is, it's stuck in at this 4,500 basically. So it goes a little bit below, a little bit above. I noticed it had a nice little run earlier. Went to, was it 16, 17, something like that? 12 there?
Yeah, 12, yeah.
Yeah, is that the highest it's been this morning? Yeah, 750, yeah. Since London Open, that's the highest point that it's been to, right? 45.12. I had a little scalping trade in there, made a little bit of money on the buy whilst we were away. Other than that, it's a relatively quiet market, waiting for news, waiting for Trump to announce something with reference to the Middle East. And then it'll go shooting up 47, 48, 49, somewhere in that region. That's what it will do. And so how have the trade cards been, Matthias?
Great. We had some mixing buy and sell because we are on that range. But if you follow the range and you follow the trading cards, you'll be absolutely fine. As long as you do the rules, you move your stop loss to break even, book profits, and you keep doing that over and over.
Yeah. So I'll go through the 4 steps of trading again. So enter without hesitation. As soon as that trade card comes, as soon as you refresh it, enter without hesitation. Set your stop loss immediately. As soon as you enter, set your stop loss. After that, set your TP. Set your TP to TP probably 3 and watch it. If you're not able to watch it, then you can set your TP to 1 or 2, depending on what you want to do. Now you have a defined outcome. You know exactly what you're going to make and you know exactly what you're going to lose. There's nothing to fear from this market. So the defined outcome gives you certainty, and that means you have no anxiety. Okay? So if you're managing your trade, the first ambition that we have is to move our stop loss to break even. It's not to make any profit. We don't care about that. Profit can take care of itself. We don't have to worry about it. Yeah, if we're in a buy, the market can rise. That's no problem to us. So the first goal that we have is to take our stop loss to TP. Now we cannot lose any money. Now we have a free trade. Okay. Once we've done that, we can move our TP up to 2 or 3. And then the next job you have is to move your move your stop loss, to TP1. Soon as you move that, you now have a guaranteed profit. Okay, you can take it at TP1 if you want to, or you can leave it to run. That's up to you. See what the market's doing. And you can sometimes take that to TP5, sometimes TP3, sometimes TP2. 90%, 90 plus percent, you'll take it to TP1. Okay? And the good thing about the trade card is, so the current one is telling me it's within limit, 55% confidence, so quite low. We like to at least 60, 65. But the chances of TP1 are 67% and chances of TP2 are 31% according to the figure. So chances of TP2 half TP1. Okay? So if the trade's rising and it goes above TP1, by all means set your stop loss at TP1. Because 90% of the time, you're going to then hit that. And then 30-40% of the time, it's going to hit TP2. We don't talk about 3s and 4s and 5s. But we've had days when we've had 5 or 6 TP5s.
In a row.
Right? So you want to try and maximize your profit if you can, but you've got to be safe with it. Not by taking the risks, okay? So that's my guidance to you. And please, please, please remember that. Trading's fabulous, but done with caution and done with right.
The next update I had was a sell. We are on TP1 already. We didn't have time to update. It was very fast. But as you can see, if it's strong, you can go for it. TP1 already. Now you move your stop loss to break even and you book it at profits. Someone asked me which one I'm using. I'm using the 5 minutes and the standard. If you're using the same, you will have more or less the same numbers because of course you refresh that, need to be refreshed on the same time I'm refreshing as well. Okay, but that is good as well because then you have a different parameters. You have the right time for you to enter your trading. You have 30 seconds every time that we change the time. 5 minutes. If you're trading 5 minutes, you will refresh every on the end of the candle. When one candle finishes, another one starts. You have 30 seconds to generate your trading card, okay? And place your trades. If you're doing the 5 minutes, you need to be fast. If you want to be like more time to place your trades and things like that, you can go for the 50 minutes, half an hour, or 1 hour. That will give you more time to place your trades as well. Okay? But the way we are doing here is fast, scalping in and out. We don't get stuck in trades. We have the stop loss, and that's it. I'll be waiting now for the next one. We'll be able to refresh and generate a new trading card, but step by step, okay? If you talk the profits.
Vincent, why do you keep doing this? Get in the Telegram group. Don't be trading off what we're doing because we're always behind. Yeah?
Yeah. Yeah.
You need to
sell. You need to be able to generate your own trading cards, guys, because
100%.
If we are doing here, at some point, you need to be really fast, okay? We can guide you, but you need to be on our community if you really want to take the most of it.
Yeah.
Not updating now because the signal is not strong enough. But for me was a sell between 3 and 4. But it's a lot of numbers. I don't want to update that now. Waiting for a strong trading card. Okay.
So again, not an awful lot of movement in the market today. 44.89 to 45.45, about $55 all in all. Yeah, down 0.93 on the day. So we count the day from when the market opens in Sydney, 11 p.m. UK time. So that's where we're at this moment in time.
I will put here again, if they miss it, you can reach out to Cam or reach out to me on social media. We will guide you step by step. There is the number you need to reach out. And if you scan that QR code on the top hand right, you'll be able to join our community, and you can reach out to me and Cam as well, and we'll guide you step by step. But in order for you to have access to that trading machine learning, you need to open one account with our partner broker, okay? And we will guide you step by step how to do it. It's very simple. It's very simple, but you need to be on our group in order to have those able to generate those trading cards. And like I said, it's powerful. You can generate every 5 minutes, 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour. It's completely up to you. The way we are doing on the call now is every 5 minutes to give you more probability and more chances to place any trades.
Yeah, absolutely.
But yeah, the number is there and the QR code was there as well. If you didn't have time, we will put again later on. Otherwise, you can just scroll a little bit down. You'll be able to see it.
Mm-hmm. Just going to check, see if there's any headlines about the US and Iran, because there should be some news coming out soon, because Washington's awake, obviously, now.
Yeah. That will be the time. Yeah, let's see. We'll be able to refresh again in less than 1 minute now.
No, there's no news. I think Netanyahu's really bombing the so out of Lebanon. So there's not a lot that we can look forward to, but we never know. With this US administration, we never know what they're up to or what they're going to announce next.
That's true. As you can see, we have a strong buy now. Buy and sell we're having today, but that is a strong buy. We have been on the range and it's going up now. Cam, we lost you. I think so. You're having issues with your camera today. The price is between 6 and 7 again. Stop loss at 5. Hard stop at 1.65. And then you have TPs from 9, 10, 13, 15, and 18. Okay, those are the TPs on the buy now. But like I said to you, the update was a little bit late. We went nearby TP1 already. If you enter when you refresh, good for you. You can book your profits, and that's it. Scalping in and out. Okay. Your camera is your back again.
What can I do? It just folds on itself. I don't know why. Maybe it does it if I'm not moving or something. I don't know. It's very sophisticated. There's nothing wrong with it. It's not,
it is, yeah.
Just a setting somewhere. Yeah, absolutely. Maybe it thinks I'm not here if I'm not speaking. I have no idea.
I don't know.
Keeps it interesting, doesn't it?
It is, yeah.
Keeps it very interesting.
Let me know if you took the last one and if you book your profits already, because we have been there already on profits.
I'm in that buy, Matthias.
Well done. You have the stop loss and you have the hard stop as well. Make sure you put the stop loss straight away. As soon as you press the button, you press and put the stop loss like Cam was teaching you on the beginning of the session. And make sure you book your profits. Okay? It's plenty of opportunity. Yeah. You don't need to worry about missing out. Don't have the FOMO, fear of missing out. Don't have it. Try to eliminate that from your mind and just go for it.
Absolutely.
Make it simple, approachable, easy for you to enter.
Is that drilling on the TV or is that my house?
Oh, it's here. I don't have TV, okay. You know. He's the engineer. He's fixing the boiler. I had some issues on the boiler.
You got work going on. You want to see my house like a bomb hit it.
At least it's not winter. At least it's not winter.
Yes.
Let's be positive.
I'm really happy now because I can see the end of it.
Yeah, it's nearly there, isn't it?
All the messy stuff will be finished this week.
Oh, amazing.
Yeah.
C49. I will be able to refresh again. I will update you now. If we buy or selling. Let's refresh. It's still buy. hitting 45.06, 45.07, more or less the same entry like before. We have some pipettes on the side. I don't update that because it will be complicated for you. And 45.04.96 is the stop loss, and the hard stop is 45.01.65. TP1, 9, 10, 13, 15, 18. And you can go for it. Pricing is going up. You know what you need to do as soon as you're in profit. Protect your capital.
I was wondering why my chart wasn't moving as well. I got it set on the 5 minutes. It's amazing how much of a difference it makes.
It is, yeah.
Yeah.
Just 1 sec, Cam. I come back now.
No problem. So guys, we're in buys at the moment, or we're in a buy. So hopefully you're tracking that. TP1's 09. And it's actually hit that. I don't know whether it's hit that since the signal. I think it has. But it's, as Matthias was saying, market's rising, so may breach that. I think it'll breach that 11 that it's done earlier. So the high of the session that we're having today. The Asian session hit 45.45 last night, and so it's going. Yeah, it's going well. So 45.18's TP5, 45, so range from 9 to 18, 76% possibility of hitting 09. Some way off it at this moment in time. So hope your stop loss is set. And stop loss is a feedback, it's education for us. Yeah, it's telling us what isn't possible. So we'll refresh in 2 minutes, see what the trade card's saying. Very rangy in that section. If you look at the chart here, all of this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 minutes has been there. So remember, stop loss vital. The system thinks the market's going up. I'm going to refresh in 1 minute. So it started easing up a little bit now. It's coming down again. SL's at 45.05. It's gone to 04, so you may have hit it. I lowered mine a little bit, so not in danger of that. So that's gone right down a bit on that, obviously. We're going to refresh in 2 minutes, so great signal there. That looked as if it was running really nicely, but obviously not. Not running well at all there.
Back.
Hi.
What's happening here? It's dropping again.
Yeah, we hit stop loss there.
Oh, wow. $2 o'clock. Another hour is starting.
Yeah, I've got a meeting with a prospective client, which I shall do. So I'm going to leave you for a little while.
Yeah, I will be here now. Don't worry.
No problem.
Strong buy now between 6 and 7 is a buy. A stop loss at 5 and hard stop at 1.65. Seven. Let me see if I refresh properly. It's 02 now. Let's refresh again. Yeah, 02. 0203 is the price to buy. I'm sorry about that. Didn't refresh properly mine. 0203, entry okay between 1 and 4. TP1, we went for TP1 straight away. As a sell, I'll be waiting to update you the next one. That was very fast. As you can see, if you have that on your hand, I need to have 2 monitors. I usually have my trading view, another one only for the Telegram, for be able to generate those cards, and then I have you here with me, and I can place the trades straight away. But now I came downstairs, I don't have my 2 monitors, I just have my phone with me. Is a little bit strange. You need to have the tools. Make sure you have the tools to do all that, okay? As you can see, straight away went to TP1 on the sell. Is going again, TP2 already. Surpass the TP2. Move your stop loss if you sell. If you sold on that one and you protect your capital. Oh, hello, Mark.
Hi, mate. You okay?
Oh, great. Thank you. And you?
Yeah, good. I know you're busy. I was just messaging to say I'm just in the studio.
Oh, I'm sorry.
Before you came back, I messaged Cam as well. He's just seen it now.
Okay. I have the engineer checking the boiler. It's still on guarantee. It's a new boiler, but it's not working properly. At least it's not winter.
Yeah, you know about it.
Let me go upstairs. Give me 2 minutes. I will go upstairs and connect everything again on my monitor. I will be in a better position to help you guys.
All right, see you in a minute.
2 minutes. Much better now. How are you doing, Mark?
Yeah, I'm good. Yeah, how are you?
Great. How was the holiday, the week?
It's nice, mate. Yeah. Nice weekends. Had Jessica the weekend, so it was nice.
That's nice.
Had a few things on last week. A couple of things here and there. Did a little bit, but not so much. I sort of tidied like my forecast up for the year and things like that. Sort of, a bit of admin accounts out and stuff, change broker and what have you. So picked it back up today, really. Yeah, it's just trying to get more familiar with this scorecard, you know.
Yeah. Are you using that now, or you're practicing?
Yeah. No, I'm using that. Been up early, like, but we only had 2 signals on the other thing, so yeah. Just,
Yeah.
But it's going to take a bit of time to get used to it, you know. So I have used it, I've made profit on it, but I've also lost on it as well. Do you know what I mean? So it's just about finding your way on it, isn't it? You know, the more you use it.
Yeah, you're learning again how to. Yeah. I understand.
Yeah, I have got 2 screens up, which helps, and obviously on there, so that giving you the best advantage you can have, you know.
As you can see, the last signal I didn't update it all the time, but was a strong sell, and we got straight away to TP3 on that one.
Yeah, I saw that. I thought you said buy, and mine said buy first, and I refreshed it, and it went to sell, and then I was like, what one is it? And I was waiting to get in the
Yeah, because I was not with my 3 screens, and I refreshed, but didn't refresh straight away. You need to be mindful of that as well.
Yeah.
You just need to press refresh and wait for the right numbers, but then came up with a strong sell. I changed it straight away.
So you don't have to come up, you don't have to get a new actual card on the chat, do you? You just refresh, don't you?
Yeah, you just refresh, yeah. If you press the button refresh, like now, I refresh, we got still a strong sell for me.
64%.
When I pressed the button, the price was on 99, and it's already on TP1 97. The things I do, if I press the trading, because I have the Telegram here in front of me now on the monitor.
Yeah.
If I press the trade, I can check on my trading view. I can press the trading on my mobile phone, and I will move my stop loss straight away, Mark, because we are using the 5 minutes. 5 minutes is very fast.
Yeah.
The things I will do is move my stop loss straight away to break even and book my profits.
Okay.
I'm booking profit. It's not like holding trades or anything like. You can have your runner for sure. You can hold. As you can see, the range is very narrow. You cannot place a lot of layerings. It's very risky to place a lot.
No,
place one or 2 trades.
Yeah.
Yeah, 1 or 2 trades, especially if you're using like me. If you're using the 5 minutes.
Yeah.
You will need to place the trades, put your stop loss.
What stop loss are you using?
Sometimes you can use between the hard stop and stop loss, but I'm using only the stop loss for now. I don't like the hard stop.
Really? Because I've found when I've been getting tapped out, so I've been using a bigger stop loss, which.
But you're going to TP1 or not? You're booking profits on TP1 or not?
Yeah. But I'm only on the smallest lot size. I'm treating this as like sort of scalping. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
But at the same time, I don't want the stop loss too tight, where I can't even get to TP1. So I'm probably risking more than what I'm thinking.
Okay. That's the problem. If you're using the hard stop, you have more range for stop loss. You know, you have more room for the trades, but on the other hand, you put more risk as well.
Yeah.
That's the.
If I get to TP1, and like you say, move the stop loss to TP1, and TP1's in the bag, but I'm still in the trade.
I don't move my stop loss to TP1 when we are in profit. I keep all my break even.
Oh, do you?
Yeah, I keep my stop loss on break even. As soon as we are in TP3, then I move my stop loss, because the range is really narrow, especially if you're scalping, you know.
Okay. So you're doing
the range is the range is really narrow. You need to be mindful of that. As you can see, I'm refreshing now. It's still a strong sell. And you have the points between 0.1, 50, 0.2, 70, and went straight away. As you can see, scalping is in and out. As soon as you refresh the button, you need to be there on the trade. And now, as soon as in TP1 is 99.35, you book your profits, partial or whatever you want, and move your stop loss to break even. When you move your stop loss to break even, now you have a risk-free trading. It's already on TP1, and that went straight away to TP3. Book your profit, guys. Move your stop loss to break even. That's TP2, TP3, nearly TP4, can you see that, Mark? It's very fast. Sometimes you need to be very fast. And move your stop loss. If you move your stop loss now to break even, you are risk free. Okay, that is the way to do, guys. That went to 87. That is a lot of pips there. TP5 was at 90. I had some trades before, runners.
Yeah.
And now you can keep that as a runner if you want to, you know?
I'm with you.
You can keep as a runner. You don't eliminate the strategy fully. You can use that as a runner. And it's breaking everything, guys. It's breaking everything now. I hope so you got that sell. Even 0.01, you need to be on that sell.
See, that's all I'm trading with it on this at the minute, 0.01. So I can't take a partial at TP1. So that's why I'm trying to work out, like, rather than just
maybe
P1.
Maybe try to put 0.02. Then as soon as in TP1, you move your stop loss to break even and book partials, book 0.01 and leave the rest.
Okay.
You know, you have more probability, but in other hand, you protect your capital always.
And then you're just using the small stop loss.
And there's more stop loss because if you get out, you lose 10 pips, 20 pips. It doesn't hurt you.
Yeah, that's all I'm thinking. Yeah, okay.
And if you go to stop loss with 0.02, it's nothing.
Yeah.
You can recover straight away because we are doing scalping. It's one after another one, one after another one. And the way to do it is don't overthink. Press the button, make that mechanical approach. Press the button. As soon as you can, stop loss to break even. As soon as you can, book profit and leave the rest. And that's it. Scalping, in, out, in, out. As you can see now, was a big drop, massive drop, and we got all that. We went to 70, 72. Now I have only one small runner, and that's it. That's the way, guys. That's the way to make profits every day and keep booking the profits.
So if Matthias, if you're taking, say, profit TP1, stop loss to break even, and then you just let the rest run, taps out, then great, go again, and then you don't move your stop loss again until it hits TP3, then you'll go TP1.
Yeah. Then I will decide if I take TP3 or TP4, TP5, or if I will leave that as a runner. Okay. It depends what I'm seeing on the market as well. I update my rest, my runners or whatever, in order what I'm seeing on the market.
Okay.
If we have one signal after another signal after another signal, sell, like this morning, I will keep runners for sell because I can see strong sell.
It's not going to reverse.
If I see a buy, sell, it's scalping, and you see all mixed information, I will be mindful and book my profits straight away and don't leave runners.
I'm with you. So
you adapt to the market.
Yeah.
And right now, nearly another refresh time. Let's refresh again. Let's see if it still sell. It still sell, guys, between 83.73, 85.29, more or less. And then 80.90, 81, TP1. 79, 77, 75, 72. Stop loss at 86, 87. I will put 86, 87. You can decide. 87 is better. Go. Or 91.52. As you can see straight away, is on the stop loss. Can you see that, Mark? 86, 92, 91.52. You can always, if you having a lot of profit on the day, you can play on the day as well, and then you can put that price on the middle of the range. You don't need to put it really on the stop loss, you know. 86.92. I put on my on the stop loss. I got the stop out.
See, I've got a different signal to you. You must have pressed it at a different time.
It depends. When you press the button, you will get a different signals. I'm selling on the 5 minutes.
Yeah, I am.
That's why. Yeah.
And it's stop loss 4489, entry best entry 448664.
You got a better entry and a better signal than me because we didn't refresh on the same time, as you can see. That's powerful as well. But then you can use the hard stop and the stop loss. If it's not like, if it's 20 pips, 30 pips, it's fine. Don't go crazy and put a hard stop if it's 50 pips, 60 pips, because if you lose it, it will be hard for you to recover. That's the only thing. We need to be mindful on the stop losses, okay? And hard stop. But other than that,
that's all I need to find a thing for, but that going up to 0.02 might help now, because like you say, take a partial, then I can move that stop loss. Otherwise, I'm either aiming for TP1 and getting out, but I'm risking more than what I'm taking. Do you know what I mean?
And maybe if 5 minutes is really fast for you, you can use the 15 minutes, half an hour, 1 hour.
Yeah, but that means you'll be trading every 15 minutes. I like trading often.
Yeah, I like the 5 minutes because it's
essentially with a little break here and there, missing one, 10 trades an hour.
You can place a lot of trades in 1 hour. It's just crazy. If you have the probability, you have the right numbers, because most of the time we are going to TP1. 90% we are going to TP1. 85%, and that is why I decide to go for 5 minutes and do that strategy. Why? Because I'm protecting myself, protect my capital.
Yeah. No, I like it. You know, I like it. That's all I need to do. Just develop something for this account. This is me second accountancy.
Yeah.
I'm keeping it separate. You know what I mean? So I know solely what this is performing like. You know.
Yeah. No. You need to have one account for each strategy.
Yeah.
And that's it. And like you said, if you book your profits, you finish your strategy, you have your target for the day, you can use the another one and carry on if you want to, if you have time.
That's my goal without getting ahead of myself.
Yeah. I'm sticking with that strategy for now, Mark. I'm having really good results.
Yeah, good to hear. Yeah,
I'm using that. And sometimes I don't have time to do the partials, you know, because the market is moving so fast.
Well, I was about to say, I've just took a partial then, and when I was about to move the stop loss, it'd gone past it. It's come back in now, so I can put the stop loss in now.
Yeah, but then you protect yourself, you know.
Yeah.
Break even, stop loss, booking profits. You know the skills. You have the skills to do that now. That is the most important thing. You learn the skills.
Yeah.
And now you just need to be mindful and book your profits.
Yeah, totally.
And if you get used to it, if you give some room for the trade to breathe sometime as well, because as you can see, the stop loss is really tiny.
Yeah.
If you are in a good profit for the day, you want to put the hard stop or.
Yeah, I'm finding I'm going towards that, Mateus, because when you're a bit more risk averse for something new, I've gone in tight and it's too tight. Do you know what I mean?
Yeah.
And like you say, it needs to breathe a little bit, and it's not just going in one direction. It's, you know, fluctuating, isn't it? So
Yeah.
I think
Another cell.
The hard stuff, you know, does help, doesn't it? I mean, on that one, it's a bit more, but generally, it's normally about 50 pips, isn't it?
Yeah.
On here today, on this last entry, it's 80 pips. That's a lot. Like, I'd probably just try and like try it out with like going to 50 pips, you know.
Yeah. I hope so. You're getting that profits. On the last one, I just didn't have time. You explain your way, and as you can see, we went straight away to TP2 on that one.
Yeah, I'm on a different card. I've gone TP4 here. 77 was TP4 for me.
Yeah, 77 is TP2 on the...
I'm confused.
Yeah. I refresh every 5 minutes. If I remember, I will refresh. 73 is TP4 for me now. For you, will be TP5 and more.
So I moved my stop loss to TP3 because we're at TP5.
Yeah, or you can book profits if you want already now. It's up to you. It's completely up to you. You need to find your way.
Well, I've got 0.01 left.
Just take the risk then to go for more. Let me see, 1 hour. That could be a drop, Mark.
Yeah.
Just hold a little bit more.
I've just moved my stop loss in.
Yeah. Just move your stop loss to break even or some TPs, and that's it.
Yeah. No, I took TP1 before. Well, no, sorry, I took a profit before when it was a bit lower, and then moved me break even.
That's great.
Just moved it to TP3, and I'll just let it go. And it's gone down 100 pips from the stop loss.
Yeah, that's amazing. Yeah, it's just on another point now, Mark. If you put the 1 hour chart,
yeah,
it's going through another point now. That can go to 60 easily now. But could be a retracement. I don't want to be out of it. You just have 0.01.
Yeah.
I don't want you to be out of it. There's nothing to hold on the 4 hours now. But could be
4 hours, yeah.
Could be a retracement now as well. I just want you to be mindful of that. Maybe put your stop loss at TP3. At least you have more profits, you know?
Yeah, totally, yeah.
And then if it goes down, amazing. If it not, you still have profits.
Yeah.
You know?
Going down, mate.
If it's going down to 60, amazing.
150 pips on this.
Well done.
So that's how quick it is, though, isn't it? You know what I mean? It missed the last one, and that hit TP5 as well.
Yeah. Let's see if it comes to 60 now. On the 4 hours, I cannot see anything to hold it. On the 1 hour, we have been there. On that 60, 69. But that can easily go to 60 now. Let's see. But you see the power of having the trading cards, Mark.
Yeah.
You can generate your own trading card every 5 minutes.
Yeah, great.
You don't need. You're not stuck in a buy or sell or just buying. It's powerful.
Yeah.
It's powerful. You just need to learn how to use that properly and book your profits.
Have you been having great success with it, have you?
I'm sorry?
Have you been having good success with this?
Yeah, I'm loving it. I told Khan, I'm just using that.
This is like your baby now, yeah.
That's my baby, yeah.
Interesting, isn't it? Interesting how it works.
Yeah. And you have better days, and you have great days, and not.
Yeah, like anything. Is there like any strategy?
Like anything. Let's see if it will come to 60 or will retrace straight away. The best thing I like on that, Mark, we don't get any attachment. You have the stop loss. If you're using stop loss 10-20 pips, you're out if it's out. And if you in, you can book your profits straight away as well. You're not like holding for days or stressing yourself because we are just doing one thing. We're just adapting on the markets all the time.
Yeah.
That's why I really enjoy it. And then you can have the confirmation. If it's still holding, can you see now we still have a strong sell? If you refresh that on the 25, we still have a strong sell. That means if you have you don't need to press another sell. You can hold your trades and then just book more profits. If you have possibility, if you're doing more than 0.01, you have the possibility to keep holding that as well. I just saw your message now, Mark. Was scrolling down. I had many messages.
Right.
Just saw your message now. It's coming to 60. Let's see. Let's refresh again. It will be another 5 minutes now. Let's see if he's still strong.
Sell.
You got that, yeah. It's still strong, the sell. As you can see, it's yellow for me now, but it's really strong. You can keep selling, guys. I will be giving you a random number. If you want to have the exact number, you need to be with us and you will have all that information. It's a lot of information there, but it's easy to understand when you start to do it. Make it simple. 67, 69 is the entry point. As you can see, it's going to TP1 straight away. The TP1 was 64, then 60, 62, 60, 57, 55. The stop loss on that one was 70, 71. You can put 71 and 76, the hard stop. But as you can see here, we went straight away to TP2 already. Was a strong sell.
That I got in that, but that moved very quick.
Yeah, you need to be very quick. I can update more or less here, but you need to be quicker. I thought the 60 will be easy if we break it. We are on the 60 now. We came on the 60. Let me see on the 1 hour. We're breaking that. Next point for me, next strong point for me, if it keeps dropping, we'll go to 44.30.
Yeah.
That is another point that we can go today. If it is still dropping, okay? Don't hang on my advice now. Just keep booking your profits. We're scalping. We're scalping. We're not holding trades. If you want to hold, it's absolutely fine. But move your stop loss to break even. Okay? Then you can hold to 44 if you want. If you will go at some point there.
I'm tapped out of that, so I'm waiting for the next one. But, you know, I booked my profit. And
that's it.
Yeah.
That's it. But you see how simple, Mark, if you keep booking your profits.
Yeah, it adds up, doesn't it? You know, it's like anything in it. Just being on the right side of the probability, managing your risk, you know, if it's the stop loss, it's done and gone. You've set what you're happy to risk, haven't you? You know, that's why I'm just getting that right, because I think I've been going a little bit too short, topped out, and then when I said 70, a little bit too much for what I was taking on the TP1. Now you've mentioned that 0.2, it's working. I've seen it work already and I've been on the call with you, you know.
Yeah. No, it's great. You know what you're doing? You just need to find your formula to book more profits. To learn that scalping strategy, you need to move as soon as you can your stop loss to break even. It's better have break even than stop loss. That you need to have that mindset as well, because that will protect yourself.
Yeah.
Afternoon, Mr. Farrell. How are you?
You're okay? Yeah, I'm good, thanks. How are you?
I'm great.
Just had 2 fast moving cells there. Well, 3.
Yeah, how far is it going to go down this market, do you think?
It's tested it, hasn't it? But it's coming back up. It hasn't broke the low. Oh yeah, it did. Sorry, it was 62 the low, wasn't it? And it's 58 now.
Yeah, it did. It broke that.
Yeah.
Broke this, didn't it?
So yeah, it's might be coming back.
Broke the 90. It's here now. I think it's just this Trump deal, isn't it?
It's crazy, isn't it? What it's doing?
Yeah. It came to the 60. I thought the 60 will be 1 point, and next point, if it keeps dropping, will be the 30, 44.30. Let's see. We're trading what we are seeing on the moment. We're scalping in and out. We just need to refresh again.
That's there now, isn't it? It's picking up this bit here.
Yeah,
it's there. Yeah.
If you put on 1 hour, you'll be able to see the next point could drop. Can you see the 44?
This one here. Yeah, 27. Yeah. Well, it's here, isn't it? 50, 45, 50, something like that. Then all the way down to there. 43, 84. Who knows?
Yeah. But then, Mark,
if
you're using that strategy, you're on the top of the range. If you're using that strategy, then you can hold 0.01 if you want. Only on the day. Don't keep doing days and days of runners. That doesn't work, especially in small accounts. Okay.
Yeah, you get wiped out on this bloody Wednesday night
Yeah.
swap charge.
Swap. Yeah. It's still a strong sell, guys, between 68 and 70. Stop loss at 72, hard stop at 77. You're still on that range. TP1 65, 63, 61, 58, 56. If you want to have all the small numbers, all the information, you know what you need to do. I will put you Khan's number there. You can reach out to Khan and you can join our community. Click on the Telegram link. That was fast, isn't it? Went to
Yeah.
Yeah, that went to TP1 and came back all the way again to take everyone out. That's why you need to be on the community. You need to be able to refresh on your time and take the profits. Okay, guys?
Are you wasting your time if you're if you're trying to follow the signals from us?
No. It's difficult. That's why.
Even like what we clicked the button more. Well, you'd think the same time, seconds, and we had a different signal. Like so our TPs were different straight away. So
yeah, 100%.
You have to have that card out in front of you.
Yeah, you need to have that. If you want to be successful, you need to have that tech on your hand. You need to have that power on your hand. As you can see, straight away again went to TP1 and is coming back. You need to be faster and just book your profits. Let's see if that is the button. I hope so.
Let's see on the 1 minute, see what it's doing. Yeah, could be.
Could be. As you can see, you need to book your profit, guys. It's scalping strategy. You need to be fast. As soon as in TP, go for it.
Yeah.
And don't have the FOMO to press the button again. That is, you can generate another signal in 2-3 minutes again, another trading card, and you have all that information again, and you will be able to place your trade again. Okay, don't have that FOMO to, oh, I miss it, I need to press the button again. If you stick with the rules, if you're moving your stop loss to break even, sometimes I move my stop loss to break even, I didn't have time to book the profits right, and soon the TP is on TP3, TP4, TP5. It's just crazy. But the first thing I do is protect my capital. I move my stop loss. What if I booked my profits on TP1? Perfect. Or TP2. But sometimes when the market is going, especially now, as you can see, look, the movement on the market was amazing to make profits. But if you don't book the profit, you'll be on stop loss. Some of you, you're not even moving your stop loss to break even. That you need to do, have that mindset, okay? All the way up again. If you didn't book your profits, you'll be on stop loss, or you reach your hard stop. Don't wait for that.
I was about to say earlier that, you know what, I think the market may just stop moving. As soon as I go on my call, that's what it does, right?
Yeah.
Very interesting. Very interesting.
It's dropping again. Let's see. The last one is still selling. I didn't have time to update again.
No, I didn't.
Did you refresh, Mark?
Yeah, the last one went just below TP2, but I didn't get in. It moved too quick, and then that one was quick. Just got to be on it, haven't you? Very quick.
You just need to find your way. The way I'm doing is I'm having that on my laptop with the trading view and the Telegram as well, and then I just go and refresh. I'm seeing where the market is. As soon as I see the numbers on the top, I press sell or buy straight away. You know, and
I'd rather wait for the next signal and get a better entry than, you know, FOMO of just get in the market because it's going that way. You know what I mean?
No, that I mean, the first three on the top, I look at it. I look on the direction, confidence, overall setup, and machine learning. If it's a yellow or green, and if it's strong enough, I can see straight away the price. I remember the number, I will press the button because then I know I'm on the range straight away.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? If I know I'm on the range straight away, on the right direction, I just will press the button and put my stop loss straight away.
Yeah.
That is the number I look at. The three on the top, the range, you can see, you get used to it. Then you go to the stop loss. It's another TP. Refreshing. Guys, it's still strong. The sell is still strong. Not updating because it's not on the range anymore. It's very fast. You need to be fast as well. me see. Mark,
Yeah.
can you check your microphone, please? I think so. Is a little bit of noise on the. I try to reduce on my end, but I think so. Is not. Yeah. Try to put back again your microphone. Yeah, it's a little bit of noise on the background. I don't know why. It's like shh. Can you see that? Shh. It's not affecting too much. Don't worry.
Is it gone now?
I'm gone. Can you hear me?
It might be my laptop. My laptop's on constantly, like.
I'm always using standard. I didn't try the scalping on that. When I start, they recommend me to use the 50 minutes. 50 minutes standard. That's why I start with using the 5 minutes, but I stick with standard. I don't know the difference. I can ask that, but I don't know the difference on what will be the scalping and standard on the 5 minutes. I'm using standard all the time.
I had a little look on it. All I could see was it was giving you shorter pips. So where that last one was, TP1 was 4.4, like 40 pips, 4.5, 44 pips. It was giving you less, to get in and out even quicker.
I think so. Is if you don't use the standard, will be even faster. You need to be even faster, isn't it? Yeah. That will be the difference on the scalping and the standard. Standard will give you some room somehow, even though it's faster, but you need to be, if you're using the scalping, you need to be even more precise, even more faster pressing the button, because the range will be less. Just be mindful of that. If you want to use scalping, maybe you want to use the hard stop instead to use the stop loss, because then the range will be less.
Yeah.
Just be mindful of that. I hope so that helps. But I'm using standard and it's working for me. It's working very well. Let's go again. Another 5 minutes.
Go quick then, 5 minutes, don't you?
Yeah. That's I like it, because then you feel you really
taking... you're not sitting around waiting for the trade. It's like, I know when you said try the 15-30 minutes, it's like, yeah, but I can put more trades in on 5 minutes.
Yeah, that's I like the 5 minutes. That's the only, when I start, I was using the 15 minutes, but then I told her, look, why I'm waiting 15 minutes if I can do every 5 minutes?
Exactly.
Then I start to use, I was on the same page as you.
Even if you miss an odd 5 minutes, you'll still get more trades in than 4, do you know what
I mean?
Yeah,
absolutely. Even one of the 5 minutes are not great.
Yeah, exactly.
I feel I'm trading because I'm pressing the button to refresh,
And if you do get stopped out, you've got more opportunities to make that back, haven't you?
Okay, I missed that one because I was talking to you guys.
You missed it, mate. Yeah, that's TP1 already.
TP1 already, yeah. As you can see, you need to be faster, and even using standard, you need to be faster.
That's a good one as well.
Oh, that went to TP3.
Wow.
That went all the way to TP3. That's why money loves speed, guys. Can always tell that.
Money does love speed. We know that.
Yeah. Okay, let's see if he's coming to that city. That's I was thinking.
Dollars rising. Look at that.
Dollars rising. Gold is dropping.
Yeah. Let's have a look. See what it's doing on the 1 minute.
Yeah, we are on TP3. That came all the way to TP4 on mine.
No, good mine as well.
TP4, yeah.
Yeah, 55, TP4 on mine.
Yeah. TP4. Can see we can talk, but we need to be concentrate here.
Yeah, I think you can talk once you've hit. When you're on them every 5 minutes, it's coming up again now in 2 minutes.
Yeah, we're talking less.
Then you can talk.
We'll be talking less on the calls now, guys. Look, TP4 on that one. Is going to TP5.
TP5, 120 pips.
We're on the 5 minutes, going too fast. This is. Oh, what have we got to compare with? That's down there. Look at that massive, massive selling hour.
Yeah. That's the hour.
Yeah.
Okay. I will celebrate that, even though I didn't have time. Let's celebrate with the ones. Press the button, guys. Let me know if you press the button. You'll be 55 now. That's why it's important, guys. Go on the trades, move your stop loss at break even as soon as you can, and book some profit. Most of the time, especially on the 5 minutes now, we are reaching massive TP1s. That is faster. You need to be fast. Look, the last one we missed it. We're talking. I gave you the point at least for you to enter. But if you want to be using the trading card all the time, every 5 minutes, you will be able to update. Like now, another 5 minutes. And the sell is still strong, guys. Sell is still strong. Don't miss out. And we are nearly on TP1 on the last one. A refresh at 55. And we are going towards TP1. If you are positive, if you had a good entry, you know what you need to do. With your stop loss. We have some news at 3 o'clock as well. In 4 minutes will be some news. Move your stop loss, book your profits, okay? If you go on the guide on Trade with VIP, you have a guide. You need to be mindful when we have news, especially red folders, okay? With the machine learning. Be mindful of that. Book your profits. Was a massive drop. But in 3 minutes will be some news. You don't want to be there if the market decide to go up. If the news moves the market now up, you want to be protect, okay? At least a stop loss, please, or hard stop, or whatever you want to put to protect yourself, you go and put that there, okay? Don't trade without stop loss, please. Okay, it's nearly the end of the session. We had massive drop. All the time was the trading cards was selling.
All right.
I hope
That's what it's in for Wednesday. So
Okay.
that's planned.
I really hope you get on that. Did you got some pips on the sells, Mark?
Yeah, I did, mate. I did.
That's the main thing. Don't
Yeah.
count the pips. Don't be afraid if you didn't take the 100, 200, 300 pips. Don't worry about that.
Yeah, no, it's just since upping me lot size there, I've seen the difference, mate. So thanks.
Well done, well done. I think so. You need to have the skin on the game. You know,
Yeah,
if you have the skin on the game and you protect yourself, you will be absolutely fine.
yeah,
Let's say you book your profits at CP1 on one of that 0.0 and you have. Then you have the possibility to move your stop loss to break even and leave the another one to go.
yeah.
But then you protect. You're not waiting for the stop loss, you know?
Yeah. No, cheers, thanks. Made a difference.
And you're very good with that because you have been doing that for a long time. You know what you're doing. You just need to have that strategy and implement that all the time.
Yeah, cheers, mate.
It's still dropping, guys. That could
Yes.
go to the 44.30. Like I said, that will be the next point. Let's see. If it doesn't go there, don't keep waiting. Book your profits. Pull your stop loss to break even and refresh again. And refresh again, okay? We will see you tomorrow at 8 a.m. UK time.
Yeah.
Oh God, it's 3 o'clock already.
That was so fast.
Yeah.
It was so fast.
Well, it's a fast-moving market, isn't it?
It is, yeah.
Yeah. And it does move fast. It moves very, very fast. And it waits for no man.
That's it. Look the news, guys. Let's stay only few minutes more just to see what the news will do.
ISM manufacturing, actual 54. So it's better than the 50. The forecast.
Okay,
Yeah.
that could drive the gold a little bit further down. Let's see.
Down or up? Manufacturing
is-
means it's better.
It's good for US on that case, isn't it?
Yeah,
the
yeah,
US,
so that-
yeah.
Could drive it up or down, as you said.
Card saying sell.
Card still saying sell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Well, card's usually right. What's the probability on? Let's stay on for 10-15 minutes then, shall we?
79% yellow.
That's
That's
really
the direct
high.
confidence, yeah.
Yeah,
Yeah,
it's a
doesn't-
stronger
doesn't-
percentage.
It's a buy. I've got a buy.
Have you?
On the 5 minutes.
Oh no, sorry. It was an old signal.
Okay.
I panicked then.
No, the thing is, I can't see all of it. So obviously, I don't. As you said, we're doing lots of other things, so we're not always in the trade. So I don't always press it.
That's the thing, yeah. Mark was writing to me on the WhatsApp.
Yeah.
I need to scroll. Then I found his message.
Well, when I was messaging you, Mateus, I was waiting to get in, and I had one that said sell, and you said buy, didn't you? And I was like, oh, what one is it? I had to wait to get in.
You see, you need to refresh
Yeah.
properly. I didn't refresh properly on that one. That's why. Don't listen to me always, guys. If you have your phone, if you have your way to generate your trading cards, use it properly. Have on your computer, have on your phone, have everywhere. and then you don't miss it. I think so. It's important. I was downstairs. I don't have my monitors, and then I don't have the Telegram on my computer. I like to have the Telegram on the computer. Then I can just press refresh. I can see everything is working properly.
Yeah, best way, isn't it?
Yeah, you need to set up to success. You need to have the right tools, and you don't need to invest a lot. Don't go crazy investing. You just need a laptop, a monitor, and one phone, and good internet. That you need to invest a good connection.
Yeah, your internet's probably more important than anything else.
Yeah, you need to have a good connection. Yeah.
So it's bouncing around now.
It's bouncing around. If you talk the last signal, you supposed to be positive now. Just if you want, move your stop loss to break even and book some profits. Especially, remember, be careful when we have news on the machine learning. Generate your own signals, okay? You need to be mindful of the news. Don't be scared, just be mindful. Straight away, stop loss. Put your stop loss. Give me only
That's the
2
key.
minutes. Yeah. 2 minutes.
So dollar's been climbing, I guess. Yeah, there it goes. And we often talk about this, that when the dollar's climbing, usually gold is coming down.
Let me know in the comments if you're still here, if you book some profits today. Would be nice to see. If you're learning the strategy of moving your stop loss to break even and book the profits, I just want to hear from you. Remember, it's scalping in and out. We want to be in and out. Don't want to keep holding any trades. And we had plenty of opportunities today, especially on the selling. First hour on the morning was great, and now as well. We didn't stop to having sellings as well, a lot of sells, and that means the machine learning is going on the right way.
How long have you been using the trade cards, Mark?
Say again, sorry.
Have you been using the trade cards?
Yeah, I was just saying to Matthias, yeah, I had used them. I'd used the small stop loss to open, stopped on a few, and then I'd used a little bit bigger, made a little bit of profit, and it's just still getting used to it. But this hour's definitely helped that I've come on for, because you know, I think I was using too small a lot size, to be honest. You know, something new.
Yeah.
I'm very more risk averse. But the difference in having being able to take a bite of the cherry, so to speak, and then securing the profits, and I've seen a difference. You know what I mean? I've made some good profit in the last hour. You know.
Yeah.
And this is, I've made a forecast. This is learning from the past as well, trying to grow accounts too quick. This is slow and steady, you know, the beauty of seeing what it does over time, you know. There's no rush on it as long as it's making profit and building. So yeah, it seems good.
That's great.
Just moves very quick, and you've just got to be on it if you want to be on them 5 minutes, you know.
Like you said, I love the 5 minutes. I tried the 15 minutes, but the emotion, it's like when you know what you're doing, you just press the button, make that mechanical approach. Leave the fear, leave the thinking out of it. Just press the button.
Yeah, totally.
Yeah, definitely.
I think as long as you can get the hold of it, when you get used to it, is so simple. Look though, that candle in 1 hour is just massive, isn't it? Massive candle.
Look at that.
Yeah.
So it's natural to get some retracement.
It is, yeah.
Yeah, it's natural for the next hour not to be doing that. And then we have these figures. We don't really know how they're going to affect the market. The market digests these figures and they try and read into this. So the forecast for the ISM, don't even know what ISM stands for actually. So it's obviously something to do with a manufacturing index of some sort, but it's red folder. So it's not massively important because otherwise I'd know what it's for. That was the previous forecast, was that actual was 54. So let's have a look. Matthias, let's have a look what this actually is.
Yeah.
ISM manufacturing. Purchasing Managers Index is a key monthly gauge for US economic activity based on surveys of purchasing managers at manufacturing firms. I know exactly what that is now. So this is looking forward to purchasing managers' orders. Are they up or down? So previous was 52, forecast was that. So it's at 54. So it's actually, this is an index. So the confidence of purchasing managers making more purchases has actually gone up. So it's good news for the economy. And to be honest with you, most of the news for the economy has been pretty good from America.
Yeah. And it's good for them, but sometimes doesn't move the market the way it's supposed to move, you know?
Of course.
Yeah, PMI is bad for gold if it's higher. In that case, it's higher. But because, of course, US dollar will be stronger. But with everything going on the market right now, it's not moving the way it's supposed to move straight away, the market.
I don't think the market's moved properly for God knows how long.
Yeah.
Yeah? Do you know what I mean? It's not really moved.
Since January, Since January? I reckon since January. Since it had that big fall. It looked like it had recovered and then it just didn't. And then it's just been so
unpredictable. It's the war, really, isn't it?
Yeah, totally.
Hasn't really done anything since the war. We live in hope.
We do.
Do you still think we're going to get a $5,600 or $5,500 gold before the end of this year?
Yeah.
That's we are telling you. We still 1st of June today. We still have time.
I think as soon as it breaks 5,000 again, it won't look back. I think that's a
I
big.
think the war. I think this war's got to end. Then we have $5,000 gold, don't we?
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then I don't think it looks back after that.
Yeah. I think we have $5,000 gold at the war.
It's just going slowly, isn't it? It's we're all waiting for that guy from America to say something dangerous or nice.
A couple of weeks ago, it got to like 680,
Sorry?
didn't it? And I thought, that's it now, it's pushing on. And then it just went
Back again.
Yeah, and then it hasn't been back above that. It hasn't been above 600 since. That was 2 weeks ago.
Yeah.
But they can't get this damn deal over the line, can they? Yeah.
Yeah.
I honestly think it'll end when they want it to end.
Yeah. They're still playing with that.
Yeah, you know,
I think they're all playing with it.
Their own agenda, even though he says, "Oh, I'm trying," and that. Got their own agenda. He's making a lot of money, isn't he, himself?
That's why.
I think there's a lot of people making a lot of money.
Yeah.
There's an awful lot of people getting rich, isn't there, on this?
Yeah, definitely.
His steady is going up. Let's see.
Yeah. Give me a second. Let me just mute myself. Right, guys, I'm gonna sign off with you. Got a few things to do around the house. Yes, of course, it's only natural it's gonna rise, isn't it?
Yeah.
Is there? Yeah. So I mean, that could come all the way back to there.
Still saying sell though.
He's still sell. Yeah.
We still oh wow.
It's just not in range yet.
It's at 71%. That's a lot of confidence.
Yeah.
Isn't it? Okay.
It is.
Right, I'm signing off. I'll
Okay,
speak to you in a
guys.
minute, Matthias.
See you tomorrow.
See you.
Bye bye. See you tomorrow. See you.
Cheers. Ta-ra.
Thank you. Thank you for today.
Cheers.